Assalamualaikum everyone, and hope you are safe and sound. Here is Anavatul in front of you, and I'm a student of BS English Academics group of colleges. So today I want to tell you something regarding tenses, and it's our third tense. I'm going to tell you about present perfect. What does the word present perfect mean? First, you have to keep in mind what's the meaning of present perfect. Present perfect means your completed action. The work which you have done is you also make sentences with the help of present perfect. But it doesn't mean that there isn't any other use of present perfect. You can use in a 5 ways. But first, I'll tell you the structure of present perfect, how you can make a sentence with the help of present perfect, and what kind of helping verbs and subjects do you use in it. First, I will tell you the formula of the structure of present perfect. The first, you use subject, and because of present perfect, you use has and have, the third form of the verb, and then object, same as other sentences. And I want to tell you that in our whole life, we just talk in three types of times, like in present, past, and future, and as well as you also make three types of sentences. The first one is the positive, the second one is the negative, and the third one is question. You ask a question. And for the positive sentences, you just use subject with third form of the verb, and with the singular subjects you use have, and with the plural subjects you use have. And for the negative sentence, you have to just use a not after has and have. The third one is your questionnaire, and for the questions, you use has and have at the start of your subjects. And now I'll tell you, you can make a lot of sentences if you know the uses of present perfect. There are 5 main uses of present perfect. You can look at the board. And the first one is possession. What does the word possession mean? Possession means the thing you have, like including your face feature, including your body parts and all the things, whether plants, any little object like a needle, bag, pen, table, whatever. So here are some examples on the board. He has blue eyes. It means he has blue eyes. It's in his possession. The second one is a relation. You can tell your relation, any type of relation, if you know the use of has and have. You have to just use has and have. And I'll give you the example. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. You just make it and you give the example of the possession. The third one is a completed action, which is totally, you will say, resembles to the same formula. You have subject, verb, and then object, and in which the work which you have done is included in that use. She has performed Hajj. It means the action is completed. The next one is your experience. So I'll tell you, in many, completed action and experience both are saying that the action you have done is a part of your experience. So you have lots of experience in your life. First, I'll tell you just the one. Alia has traveled by bus, which means Alia has such type of experience regarding traveling. The last one is your illness. Oh, you have 5 uses in a different way, and how can you use had and have. The first one, possession, relation, completed action, experience, and the last one is illness. How can you tell your illness through have and have? You can tell with the, you must say a little, you have cough, you can say I have bad cough, I have sore throat, including a short-term disease to a long-term disease. And you can also make a lot of examples such I have headache, I have stomach ache, I have toothache, whatsoever. And the disease in which you are in, like you have this disease, so you can say he has got cancer. So that's all from my side today. I'll just discuss present perfect, and I hope you understood all the uses and structure of the tenses. Allah Hafiz.